Hello, so I've been asked like, God, you've been showing us how to sell that bandana, but what about us with the damn forehead? And I was like, guys, are you not listening? Are you not listening? So I had no choice but to do this particular video. And as we dive into that, I really appreciate it if you just like the video. You can always share us out there, tell someone about this channel. Make sure that you do comment down below and subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any upcoming tutorials. So for this particular style, you need your forehead with you. It's not a must your hair to look like my hair. You can be having longer hair, shorter hair. Let's talk about braids, name them all. It is a style that can go in for all. It is. We have actually, I think we did it, but that time I had different kind of hair. So this is just proof that it can actually work on all kind of hairstyles. Okay. So we first dive in to the requirements. What do you need? You need somewhere to look at. That is your mirror. Why do you always do that when trying to clean the mirror? Why? Huh? Why? Do you guys do the same? And then clean. Okay, you need a mirror, a bigger one or just this size. So that you can actually see what you are doing. The other thing you need is watch the video to the very end so that you do not miss out on any step or extra bonus. Let me just place mine right there so that I can see what I am showing you guys. Okay, honestly, don't mind my hair, it's all good. Okay, the other thing you need is, you have super long hair, just hold it towards the back. If you have just shaky hair like mine, well and good. So what you first do is you take your, the other thing you need is definitely a bandana. So you take your bandana like this, you fold it, you take this tip towards this end like that, and then you'll definitely have something like that. Okay, something small like that, and then make another another fold from the top like that, and you already have something for your forehead. The next thing you do is place it onto your forehead like that, and then you see, if you have long hair, your long hair will be out here. Maybe you have held it at the back, and then the rest will be just in there, and then place it. You can always release some hairs here. This is for the forehead, guys. I'll show you two ways in which you can achieve all this. So you can always drop some here at the front. Okay, let me show you. Let's start first by picking the ones you want to drop in. So these are the ones we want. The rest we want them all at the back. So that's the essence of holding it. You can use a hairband, a small band to just hold it. So let's place it right there. Like that. A long little. This is amazing. So make an knot at the back. You can do 2 knots so that it doesn't come out. So the next thing you need is, now you're not going to let it stay like that. You can actually choose to let it stay like that, but then you can let it stay this way. But for our style of the day, this is not it. We want it like that at the back. Yeah, maybe it's not that long in this clip. It's shrinking, so it's not giving what we really want, but I know you get the point. You can always also choose not to let some hairs out, but it's not this as well. I feel like I have done a small size. I should at least enlarge it a little bit. Instead of this way, let it be this size, that way. Yep. Na 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 na. Bring it all the way to the forehead. You see, this is the forehead style. This is for our forehead team. Damn, it's so easy and smart already. It's already given. Look at that on the side and at the front. Here you just drop small hairs. Like that. What else do you want? Easy. Should I give you another style? But anyway, that is how you go about it. And then you can actually choose to do these two ways. If you have more hair or longer hair, you can choose to have your bandana folded below the hairs. Therefore, your hairs will come out from here. They will be lying out from here. But also, you can just choose to do it this way. See how easy it is? And then another way you can do this is with the bandana like this. You can always fold it onto the inside like that. It doesn't have to be too tight. Okay, it's so good. I'm actually enjoying the results. So that is how it looks. So I told you can always choose to have all your hairs fall here or like mine. But for today, let's just stick to my style. Let me try and tuck in all of my hairs. So imagine that's what we have, and hey, it is good. It is good like that. It's amazing. It's giving. So anyways, as we continue, please make sure you like this video. You can always talk to me in the comment section, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Tell someone about this channel. Here it's all about tutorials. And by the way, follow me on my socials. That is ms__Maureen on Instagram and TikTok. Okay, so YouTube will be right here. I told you I got you. Hey, it looks good. Let me just take. Okay, I love the outcome. I still love the outcome. So if you have like long hair, let me show you someone. I don't know if it's this girl. Let me show you. Let me just show you a minute. If you have long hair, how it will be looking. Okay. She's like an inspo for this style. Let me just a minute. I think she's called, the one who posted it is Ami. So here it is. See, for long hair, it's like that. I don't know if my camera is showing you or not, but you get the point. Yeah, it's just like that. Yeah, you drop some two small hairs here and then you drop the rest of the back. Yeah, it all gives the same results. So guys, there you have it. Let me get dressed. I'm stepping out. I love you, And by the way, if you watched this far, I love you so much. I appreciate you so much. Click right here to watch more of my videos, or just check in the description. See you on the next one.